Correlative conjunctions are pairs of words that work together to connect equal parts of a sentence. Today we focus on not only but also. This pair adds emphasis when connecting two related ideas, making the second idea sound more surprising or important. Correlative conjunctions always come in pairs and connect words, phrases, or clauses that have equal importance. The four main pairs are both and, either or, neither nor, and not only but also. Each pair creates balance in the sentence structure. The basic pattern is not only plus the first idea, but also plus the second idea. This structure connects two equal elements and puts special emphasis on the second part. It shows the second idea, adds something unexpected or extra important. Listen to these examples. She is not only a talented singer, but also an excellent dancer. The project is not only ambitious, but also feasible. He not only studies hard, but also participates in extracurricular activities. Notice how both parts receive equal emphasis. Here is an example with inversion. Not only did she win the race, but she also broke the record. When not only begins the sentence, the helping verb comes before the subject. This creates even stronger emphasis on both achievements. The most important rule is parallel structure. After not only and after but also, use the same type of word. Both adjectives together, like not only smart but also kind. Both verbs together, like not only sings but also dances. This creates balance. She not only studies hard but also participates in extracurriculars. Both parts use verbs. The movie was not only exciting but also thought-provoking. Both parts use adjectives. He is not only a skilled writer but also a talented speaker. Both parts use nouns. When not only starts the sentence, invert the subject and helping verb. Not only did she finish the project on time, but she also exceeded expectations. Notice did comes before she. Not only can he play the guitar, but he can also sing splendidly. Now practice combining sentences using not only but also. First pair. She speaks English. She speaks French. Try saying it now. Second pair. The movie was funny. It was educational. Pause and practice these combinations before checking the answers.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.